Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on EasyFun. GG. First, open your web browser and navigate to the EasyFun GG website. Once there, you'll see a search bar or a list of available games. This platform provides a straightforward method to enjoy Roblox without needing to install the game client, making it super convenient for quick play sessions. Just find your favorite game and click to begin. Once you're on EasyFun GG, finding a game is simple. You can use the prominent search bar at the top of the page to type in the name of any Roblox game you wish to play. Alternatively, explore the various categories or check out the featured games section for popular titles. When you find a game that interests you, simply click on its image or title to proceed to its individual game page. After selecting your game, it will load directly within your browser. Most Roblox games on EasyFun GG use standard keyboard and mouse controls, similar to playing on a desktop. Familiarize yourself with these basic inputs for movement and actions. For the best experience, make sure you have a stable and fast internet connection, as the games are streamed to you. This ensures smooth gameplay and minimal lag. If you experience any issues, like slow loading or glitches, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Also, verify your internet connection speed to ensure it's not the cause of any performance problems. EasyFun GG aims to provide a seamless experience, but a good connection is key. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy playing your favorite Roblox games.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.